When it comes to seniors getting medical assistance, telehealth is the wave of the future. Fortunately, in Baltimore City, there's what's known as telehealth intervention programs, or TIPS for short. Here to tell us more is Hyung Tang, the Deputy Commissioner of Aging at the Baltimore City Health Department. We also have Dr. George Hanawi, Chief of Geriatrics and Director of the Center for Successful Aging at MedStar Good Samaritan Hospital. Welcome, you two. Happy to have you here.
Thank you for having us.
I want to start with you. Tell us a little bit more about what TIPS is.
Sure, Elsa. Thank you so much for having us here today. TIPS is a community-based, no-cost program for seniors to help them manage their chronic disease condition and potentially prevent undue hospitalization. It's a wonderful partnership between the MedStar Good Samaritan Hospital Center for Successful Aging and the Baltimore City Health Department. It's very long here.
Yes,
in the Westchester private partnership, where the national motto is actually adapted for Baltimore City. We're very pleased to have this program here in Baltimore City through a generous grant through the Weinberg Foundation.
It really is a gem. I mean, and this collaboration is a huge one. Tell us about how it sort of fits your mission as well.
Yep, thanks, Elsa, again for having us. The mission of the Center for Successful Aging is to care for older adults with complex medical and psychosocial needs. We deliver person-centered, coordinated care to those older adults. We wanted to reach older adults in the communities where they live, and that's where telehealth, in the partnership with MedStar and the Baltimore City Department of Health, came to fruition. Telehealth is an effective, proactive way to engage older adults in preventive care and help them manage their chronic conditions outside the office. As the Deputy Commissioner mentioned, reducing the unnecessary emergency room visits.
Yes. And so when your staff goes into the Zeta Center, what happens there?
Yeah. Every Thursday, a trained undergraduate health sciences student visits the Zeta Center. The student will perform assessment of vitals, blood pressure, heart rate, oxygenation, weight. The data is transmitted through a secure wireless network to the nurse at the Center for Successful Aging. The nurse monitors the data and intervenes immediately as needed with the patient or their primary care provider to keep them healthy. And on top of that, they get what's called a tip sheet that have all those information for their record.
All right, so I know that we have a personal testimonial, and we'll hear that now.
I belong to the Zeta Center for the last 8 years. And when they told us about this new program that they were having coming here to be able to help us check our pressure, see what our blood pressure's like, see what our weight's like, if we're having any problems, and I signed up immediately. I was thrilled because after we started the program, I was able to take each one of our forms that we get showing what we've done this week to my primary care doctor, who was really pleased with it because I can keep track of what I'm doing. They also check and see if your medication is changed, if you're doing anything that's caused problems for you. And then they make you feel comfortable knowing that you can come in and just be able to get your weight, your blood pressure, and have your oxygen level checked and see if you're doing okay. And I think it's just terrific.
And as we can hear from her, she's really happy to be a part of this program. How can seniors that are watching right now get involved with the TIPS program?
Well, I think the beauty about this program is that it's free and open to all older adults who want to be part of this program. Essentially, you can walk into the Zeta Center for Healthy and Active Living at the Health Department,
right,
or call the Center for Successful Aging at MedStar Good Samaritan Hospital.
Okay, great. So either way, just walk on in or give a call. Of course, we've got more information. If you want more information about TIPS or any of the other services for older adults living in Baltimore, please contact the Baltimore City Health Department Division of Aging. That number is 410-396-CARE. Also, to learn more about the Center for Successful Aging at MedStar Good Samaritan Hospital, call 443-444-4720. Thank you both so much for being here. And we'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after this. Stay tuned.